Welcome to this tutorial on using automatic layout mode in the UI editor. In this video, we'll cover the benefits and pitfalls of disabling automatic layout mode. By default, automatic layout mode is on, restricting component placement to predefined positions based on its parent's layout settings. As I move the component around the screen, you can see a green cursor that is snapping to the edges of its parent's container. This shows where the component will be placed when you release the mouse input. Turn off automatic layout mode to freely position components anywhere on the canvas. This gives you full control and precision over their placement. You can drag components exactly where you want them without constraints. However, this flexibility comes with some challenges. When a component is dragged around the canvas, it is automatically assigned absolute positions with a default top left anchor. This will override all of the layout settings it would usually inherit from its parent. It can also cause layout issues when switching device previews. For instance, the square looks like it's positioned on the right edge in one preview, but if I switch to a different preview with a different aspect ratio, the square is now hanging off the edge of the canvas. To fix this, adjust the component's absolute position anchor to the right center property. After changing the anchor to the right-hand side, the component stays correctly positioned across different devices. In summary, turning off automatic layout mode offers flexibility and precision, but requires careful management of components with absolute positions. Always verify your design across multiple previews to maintain consistency.